Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna go over pretty much my trade setup that I had took for Litecoin. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. It's just gonna be a brief video for you guys. It's kind of late on my end. It's around 3 a.m. on my end, so I'm gonna make this pretty quick. But I just want to explain to you guys why I sold this. All right, so for one, let's go to the higher time frame. All right, now let's delete everything. Let's go ahead and do top-down analysis. Let's go to the daily time frame. All right, guys. Gonna adjust our trend lines here. So a little bit more. Effect. There we go. Okay, cool. So pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see this. We are in an upward trend overall. All right. This is one impulse and corrective move, right? But you guys have to really dissect this. We're in an impulse corrective move, but we also have this double top formation that's in it, right? So you have to keep that in mind, right? You want to look for these double tops also that form in these, right? So what I'm seeing here is I'm guessing this is going to continue to drop down. But let's go to lower time frame just to get a better look as to what I'm talking about here. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so again, this was an interesting setup, right? We have our M formation here, right? All I did was I did this. Let me go ahead and retrace this one also. This also formed. Let me get a good one for you guys here. Let's see. Okay, cool. Go down to the 1 hour. All right, guys. So pretty much what I did here was, for one, we had a double top form again. All you're doing is dissecting the charts, right? That is one double top formation, guys, right? Because we're coming from this downward move, right, guys? So this is a downward move. It's in a downward trend, right? And all it's been creating was just going downward. It was just creating corrections to go downward, guys. Simple, right? Just dissect the chart as much as possible, right? Impulse correction, then it dropped, right, guys? And then it did one more little small move here. Excuse the drawing, guys. Just as quick demonstration, went up there, and then this is an overall correction, right, guys? So you want to dissect the chart as much as possible. You want to get a good feel of what's actually being done with the chart and what the chart is, pretty much telling you where it may go, guys. All right. Again, here now, if this wasn't an M, if you guys don't even want to do that one, this can just be one head and shoulders pattern, right? But me personally, I took this trade here mainly because this M formation, right, guys? And I did not scale in on this trade, even though I could have scaled in right here with this impulse and corrective move. I did not do that, mainly because it didn't look too good for me, because cryptocurrency, it's a little different. Sometimes it has a mind of its own. So what I did was I did not trade that, mainly because it wasn't my type of correction that I like. It was a good correction, but it was something that I just didn't want to take, because if you look to your left here, it was a limited take profit area. So I kind of just laid off of that for a little bit. But then it just completely dropped again, which is, I mean, hey, you can't win them all, guys. All right. So again, I was still in this trade. All I did was I moved my stop loss from up here My stop loss was up here. All I did was just move it to here once it got down in this area. So my profits are already secure, right? So now it's down here. So now my take profit levels are sitting right under here. And then if it hits me out, it hits me out, guys. I'm not really worried about it. But I just wanted to give you guys just like a dissection of what I looked for when I traded. And I don't know if you guys noticed, it did break out here. And this is a retest. And this retest was just one big head and shoulders pattern. And it dropped. And if this looks confusing to you guys, don't worry about it. This takes time to learn and grasp. You will get this. I know you guys will get this. It just takes some time and practice, guys. But I just want to show you guys just a quick dissection of Litecoin and where I entered and how I traded and how I really looked at it. Um, I hope I make the charts pretty simple for you guys. It's nothing really hard to really, comprehend like that. You just have to put in the chart time, guys. And once you guys put in the chart time, everything will be smooth. I guarantee you guys. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions, my email's at the top of here, currencywolves@gmail.com. It'll also be in a link in the description down below. Please like and subscribe, guys. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again for all the support that you guys have given. I can't thank you guys enough. This is something that I'm trying that's completely new. So again, bear with me, guys. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more content for you guys. I just want to help you guys succeed in this forex journey because I know some people are struggling, and this forex journey can be a hassle. All right, guys. I'm out, and remember, skies is a limit. I'm checking out, guys. Have a good trading week.